McBrown's kitchen. Agyeman Family. McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's kitchen, Agyeman Family. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. My twin, hey, Benoit mani eshe, I only know Benoit amaya she. Hey, me din dia kosia kekeli aka Puasi Cement Lagata. Enne, magina na kitchen no aboso. I McBrown's kitchen. Me be ye aduane amamu. Na me nim se nche. Na na de se mu nim deda. Obewa be pa me for the kitchen. Na waje ne kitchen.
DJ Womenyum. Aha. Hey. Dance. Now dance for me. I want to give her a diamond ring. Let's go. Say cheese, take a picture. Take a picture. Sing for me. Say cheese, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Thank you, DJ. Everybody, come and take what you want from the fridge. Madam Koha na yama oba. Wow, I will say for McBrown's kitchen. Agyeman Family. What we say? Say, me sorry no pana me hu say me be McBrown's kitchen, especially family time na mani age. Enne mo fa no say ma sorry no pa why. Ai manya hoho. O she matadiam regional ha. Breakfast na. Say the weather is breakfast for me. Na say am say anopa. Manya hoho. And then family time on McBrown's kitchen. Yay! I will say for me mama kwaba. Me pijama sitre say na ebedi breakfast. And until breakfast on McBrown's kitchen with the family. Kelly and my beautiful kids. Me mama kwaba. Na Mr. Mama me na boafo ase. Na nedwumadie ne yemfa nhyehyɛ so ntempa. Me pa chow. Aseda kese enkoma high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Someone say high sense. Eba no promotion dia. Ya na yete so. Eba no niema papa. Entwe nyinam kania. Na bo dem a fair. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Sanity. Ebusiafo awake purified drinking water. What are you drinking? Royal drink. And what are you drinking? Let me see everybody's drink. Royal drink. Okay, yama, koyinsio, kofa awake. Awake and a puma and a royal drink. Yay! Obianom ne dear. You can open. Mommy will open it for you, okay? After a tasty tom and rich tomato mix, a banning toast, a wokokumu. Natie ahwode wom fiber vitamins e won toast we wono ene e te said the wawode on toast we feature na wa wutwi no fresh de pepepe me ba to taste to me de nkwan stew ene trese ye jollof taste to jollof Mr. Lunch kitchen ene ayama me kai yi a maye mujade e te said me wo fie no lunch me da o ma say abusuafo Borges olive oil anwa we die e pa bai ye de sra na ye dibi na e ma hoden fsun kokra enu tie do ma se ene frying pan in chance am de no aduane de wonim say efidai Royal Kitchenware official Ghana ena min chance nam de ye aduane no afei Charlie spices ne enie Charlie prekese Charlie ginger ena Charlie 3 mix Abroche 42 pa se prekesa no ominya bia no pa no mi ente se breakfast a wodi mimi say komedi ni nyina awie no na ma no prekesa no bia guso what you say pepepe ginger no so wo hom ne mutawa na so wo dia tu nso hyiam no eno ti no medam aboafo ase delay mackerel delay sardine and a delay spaghetti ewo market bia mu wo Ghana ha efie bono modern so de nampa dompenim ebebre Ghana fo nyame hira mu nyina mesra mu me family time there and ebe butubutuwa ye ba be breakfast sign na ne mofra no didi wo fie wadaroma ede aduane na mudi na den na mukeka bo man ye mu a anya da bia ne betumi adi ni saa badako bi wo a ne aye ni saa na tie enu tie atwa ho aba ye ba McBrown's kitchen na na McBrown me no mabusiafo ye de real life brim
Can promise. Yeah, my papa.
Eba ni TV any sound system high sensitivity pro adwene ntiase so na ebrɛ model bia size bia
Every day you enjoy high sense
4K quality TV and what smart features high sense laser TV and your 4K picture quality high definition and kasa high sense sound system bass at bass treble at treble a jigum everything 28 March and 8 April Manim dada Madam High Sense matiti so mam say who ko High Sense showroom na kwa jodie and MiPROMO we in sound who High Sense everyday prices for everyday people.
Water gives life. Water is life. Enjoy the pure, refreshing taste of Awake purified drinking water, which comes in a uniquely designed bottle with a lemon green tap. Water is your perfect way to stay hydrated. And remember, for every bottle you buy, an amount will be donated to the National Cardiothoracic Center, Ghana. Awake purified drinking water, one for life. For bulk purchase, contact 0262 351 251.
Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni se die mu nim no omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi ti say uncle me school judge no
e was say who deep run to school for mu
auntie ama subai muja unsa mom so dodo ena mekuma awusiesie mu judge
Debbie sister want to mendra sister
e was say we nya akokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ne hwam papa bia awon dro wom eni fe eni se de paste na pi na ye de fiber eni vitamins aka wonti Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mebusuani nyina aduane a ede esanso ma hodin Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Sorry. Ade, me prekese fe yi na. Me pen na me yi pen na. Wonim bra ma bra nsem nya prekese.
Kratina de.
Uti am akokoto friends adwan be so na wo pro prekese na agu me ho.
Abra cherry prekese powder. Abejaso.
Hey, cherry prekese powder.
Ye no nse wo biesu wo hiegum.
Ensi jaso.
Debi.
Prekese ne gu konkom. Pepa cho ntwa me kitu abi wo me ha.
Me dafo. Enso me ne.
Cherry
prekese powder.
Pepa cho ma me ba kwa why.
We officer no one you use.
Me pa cho me nya cherry pea.
Cherry prekese powder.
Cherry prekese powder. Na me ba ko na me hwe ansa. Hey, cherry prekese powder. Pepa cho ma me 10.
Utimi di buko komu utimi susu esa de bunso hyiemu nom.
Wow.
Cherry prekese powder. Ebetu.
FDA agye dwade nkratoe atomu.
McBrown's kitchen. Agyeman
McBrown's kitchen abusiafo aduane pa ede. Oh, say family time kitchen is why there. And nothing I made to suffer say, what so when you abusiafo mo be den, mo be ba na mo be no aduane. Ya ho yen sa kama. Kakali. Say dear, me bobe bu no a na me bo no kwa. Me dey jan dey open my yama. The rest is you.
Yes.
What you say? Into ube ho nsa na fe aduane no nhyehyɛ so.
Okay.
Now, me come in man ho. What is your name?
My name is Gabriel Nyakwa Agyeman.
Wow. That is a beautiful name.
Thank you.
That's right. Where's the microphone? Okay, let me go here again. What is your name?
My name is William Agyeman Jr.
Wow. Do you know me too, I'm Agyeman? And mommy didn't tell you, eh? You, mommy, are not nice, cry. What is your name?
Aiden Nana Kwesi Agyeman.
Aiden, I didn't hear you.
Aiden Nana Kwesi Agyeman.
Hey, so the Agyeman family has met the Agyeman Nana. Nana Agyeman McBrown.
Yes.
Take your microphone. It is for you. Now, madam, what is your name, your full name?
Okay, and America. Within the Stella Kekeli Akosia Atakra.
Stella Kekeli Akosia Atakra. Yenim Kekeli pa, yedim komuniko echia. So when you pan so abe hunu pa. Anuntino, crying na the Agyeman now so the Atakra bedru. Now Kekeli, akwaba McBrown's kitchen.
Medase.
Many I just want them of Frana Besrami. And one mama ship is a pajamas morning this thing. Rich auntie age na hair so. I know. You better
and a breakfast.
Okay.
And a pancake.
Pancake.
Aye.
Wow.
Yes.
You like pancakes?
Yes.
You like pancake?
Yes.
Nice.
And your pancake in kwao. You bear oats kakra.
Oh.
Yes.
You like oats?
Yes.
No, yes. But mommy sometimes want you to eat oats. Don't
It's
worry,
good
for
for
today we'll eat oats, okay? You know it's very nutritious.
Yes.
You don't know, mommy knows. That's why mommy is giving it to you.
Yes.
So today, don't worry, we'll eat it nice.
Tiye oats ni kakra ye wo sausage kakra.
Hey, there is sausage.
Mommy don't like sausage.
Mommy don't like sausage, but mommy gives it to you.
Yes.
But you like it.
Yes.
Nice.
Good. You bear your fresh juice.
Wow.
Now you didn't name see a fresh juice, orange juice. Omoko school. Omo de omo puma drink and echo.
Yes.
Now you few weekends there. Now when you that January fresh juice ni be ama.
Oh, okay. Enti na mo num we na eating time. All right. Enti abuso for your baby pancake breakfast with oats and where they
raisin.
Nina pancake
oh, there be Nina unim.
Yes. Nice. I was for breakfast today. You will be baby and hamper and other Jenny. But family time, so when the family is set home, you can do this. And Tim Pamucho, you ever start na FFF. Akosia, yes, pancake and oats.
You bear orange juice no first because pancake na so then she no. You bear try orange
juice first. Okay. You bear orange juice first.
See kind.
See kind baby wa ka ho.
See. You try orange no.
Okay. All right. Into no ye chucha na ya mamnyama.
Yes.
Yanko. Only a chucha na mnyama.
Sir.
Chucha na mnyama.
Okay.
Where they easy. Okay, chucha na mnyama. All right, maybe. For mommy, I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. May you juice a mommy manano. Okay. Ain't no ye juice no na no near the chas yes
sa. Okay. Juice ni we na fe dia chef fridge mu na yakoso.
Dia chef fridge. I was for enemy jam or no I any juice. Oh we are near dia chef fridge. Matias here. Wow. Mother of three Kakali. Wow many.
Me am many ona.
Man happen you
William Jr.
Hey. And
Gabriel, the second one.
And Sanava.
Aiden.
Wow. And the other near fashion fridge. Sir. You are to one common. I was there for, say, when your machine be a fan, when your manual one, it's okay. You know, the same value. Yanko.
Nina ubenya juice na.
Yes, squeeze here we are, Nessa. Last one. Last one. Near we. That's it. Aye. Into your orange juice, we say, and I saw that chef fridge. Yep. That's it. Yeah, they quite sense fridge. Or can the puma no home? Nice, and then the royal drinks. No, baby.
Baby, akaka.
Obuase lagata.
Puase cement lagata.
And then obuase.
Puase. Baby, puase.
Ain't it puase?
MiPROMO.
Oh, Debbie, I make him go say obuase lagata.
Puase cement.
Mate, ure she mama na puase awai.
Oti region.
Ebasun Yibra.
Okay.
Yibra ebasun. Na musumi peja we.
Okay.
Na fe ye hwie. Na fe ye meyi ha. Na Abraham di we se fridge ni mo no. Yes, tini aho yensa no. Yensa na ye de ye bibia. Nti ye de orange juice no. Say fridge ni mo. Please, mama nya no man tia why? Don't fall down for auntie. Okay, auntie want to eat. Auntie don't want to do cry. Okay? Into that bush for yeah, juice there. Yeah, call the next step. Mammy, yeah, money and so on. What I say, McBrown's kitchen, I was halfway down a pad there. Many near Poisse Lagata, and I want to Poisse Oti region. Oh, okay. Honor few man no papa.
Yes, in fact, a honor a year cry. You chrome the or by honey, you cry.
Into chrome the hang
have to go have Alavanyo.
Alavanyo Togo.
No, Alavanyo are here, Togo Swan.
And I say Alavanyo and Togo. Yo. Ain't you do here?
Say, mix a flan or the Eddie pancake.
Okay.
And a soft flanny. Your milk,
fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
All right, Yanko.
Nana on you. Pancake no. Ubeti midi. Evaporated milk cry. Oh, yes. And also at the pa. Fresh milk ni.
And is some.
Yes.
So soft flan. And is some. What's all your pancake? Upi is some.
Yeah.
No.
Milk no so no. O share pancake no nipa dodo ebedi. Na fe one.
O dey yama nipa 10.
Nipa 10. And you be able to me pancake. Yay.
Okay. Into your pancake, no. First in your fresh milk.
Yes.
Como. Yes.
Your sugar.
Spoon or be a opera so show. Once Africa Day, you need a emergency.
Sapa pepe.
You know. Yeah, dear. For a year.
We do any bua. Said the opposite pancake need then. As if fun. Nature say. We know better say 3. This is okay.
Into pancake, this is okay. Who didn't answer now? What you know, poem dear home?
Kosia.
Me pass me maybe wow. Hey, come, Junior, come help mommy. We say break the egg, crack the egg. Stay here, climb the chair.
Climb it.
Bokosian only one. One. Hey, don't give him knife. Spoon.
Oh, only me.
Kai.
Sa.
Only me. There be a cassette train. Maybe I'm Passaya now, Bocosia,
baby. Oh, what do you go?
Anyone in
what do you go?
Hey, a young year. Hey, then so Ubogu and Chaya. Why are there? I'm Fatua. Okay, second person, Babocosia, mamma.
And Madame,
Babocosia, mamma.
Focusana.
Yes. Yes.
Get
the tissue, Junior.
Boguha.
There you want February. Fagum. Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, true. I'm going to wash your hand. Then you clean your hand. There's a bin behind there. Then you put it inside.
Yes.
Good. Last person. Hey, my little friend.
Eating for drinking at all.
Last person. Yeah. Do it. Do it for mommy.
It's okay. Give me this. No.
Hey, one of the wash. Hey, now you go see any air comb. Why you finish? Put it in the bin. Put it there. You put it there. Put it there. Nice. In terms of what you fry your kosuya, your sugar, Ena ye fresh milk. Ena dey bio.
Say ye be whiskey way am anafra. Auntie. Say ya.
Obe kafra. A pancake na ne en. Enti ye kafra wi next thing ye dey.
Ye kafra wi na afa ye di. We vanilla flavor and some kind of essence.
Essence.
We di kakra.
We di kakra. Ebe kan. And if gum na kafra.
Well, beti.
Enti wa ofa minim ne obeso ye no.
Edoso ni ntino.
Bakope na ye. Oh, okay.
Ketu ebi na so de so.
Wow. Na me pato. Me de minim se afro kakali se wa kwa. Akosua kakali. Stella. Poisse lagata. Na kakali we a mother of 3. Sabe there umu papa o yanko. But so far, I mean Onu mo na tie ana say papa tukana won kan nyame de ne so.
Me a single mother. Me no mo na te na me sister so any me ete. Me sister tena me 10 years ni. Was so me move for the past 7 years. I mean kwa me a single mother no. She has been there like my sister Cecilia.
But how do you feel as a single mother?
Oh, Nana say me feel she no mama me omo papa or support it. You know, you ain't together but also supporting, you know. Be okay.
No. And one beautiful children. I was here for yes, I'm not there.
Ebegum, see. Yes, something.
And so do our pay when you now they measure.
Sir, in fact, who ye paste no cry, I bet sure say paste no you know per se pancake no emu dry. Why some I say would you go milk no. We yan kakra kanti sa pono e be che 2 days sam no kakra.
We do go
now. Enu dey
this one better so. This is ora kakre.
Me samo.
And kakali ye efira. So mbekaya. Efira that's you.
Yeah, that's you. In fact, efira is 20 years now. Na me shall say 19 years ago.
Okay. Why get sad? What's it much? 19 years ago.
Yeah.
An opportunity ben on your deba movie mo.
And I'm a few I think say Helena Mabu ni secret safo. Helena Mabu any secret safo and no mommy. Akwenya mami start to say me chesi ni kakra.
Wow.
Yes, I'm not
Ebi come. Not as a shame or a sinini.
Sir.
We sinini and no nene ma ye me ma. Abesa, is there something wrong? I'll force it for you what I'm coming, okay? What is it? Oye sinini o sinini no nene man abesa. It is say ya. Papa said the obenya say smooth. Said your pet. Yeah, yes, I do a bit close up.
Yes.
No more wide than one. Okay, Busia, and we say ya. And so Mukakro. If you me money, we take. And I make medical car no said the open on the thickness and said the open was a pancake, and be a poof. A busy a light. And no, and your lights, no, so on your. Okay, I can't say. All right, next step is the oats.
Yeah, oats now, nana. Small education, because I'm calling me, many money. Into no oats, no, edited the musa, the mom, also mui, oats no bay, I'll show the dog bay, and no blendy bear fan. O blended fan, na fe, o ya na odi, the own blending and odi afra. Anti penny susubet be a day.
Maybe some say, yeah, then or blender, blender bay. Okay, and I'm cast a beauty. What they be makes you in. There be the blender, so yeah.
Aye.
And then you go. Do you want to say something? Okay. Now,
oats no.
Yeah, the oats no, yeah, blended oats no. Yeah, blended ankasa. Said yeah, madam no.
Oats no.
Okay. You be any nana. You be jebi on oats, you be jebi.
We quite do so a bit too.
Obana. Oats is you need to blend and I said
me fresh milk ne biaka. Into fresh milk see the uti and I say. No, when that's how we any be we say already no milk be we a pancake. And a fat so a womb. Into the milk na can odigum. Now we do sugar crazy e can
na fe din suaka ho.
Udin suaka ho.
You and my musu ma fe your mixture no. Said it here. I was for you say your name my everyday breakfast. And don't you know this is the way Kelly man and man will fear. Me gidi say also bet me I be of fear my friend. And you know milk kakra na reasons na.
Oh, I know the nana. Say me wie na say oats na say ya ben na na fe me die gugu mu say no nti be serve as another source of sweetening amano no kwa no pe we de mu say as de mu di cake no.
Oh, okay. Nti a fresh milk in the oats.
Yes, you.
Enso nje do do okay. Me pe o sa wa bon ho po. Pe o sa we jeja no. Nti me di bi consider me. Yan kwa usua ya be blend no kama.
Me sugar kakra kom ansa.
Sugar kakra be kom ho. Okay.
Chin be nya bebre ya milk wom. And na raisins no so e be kom.
All right. I was for oats we there. And ben for din kwaladi.
Aye.
Ananya sa.
Mani fi bebre. Ha. Ya mani nya ko ne ko. Good, we're good.
We are good.
We're good.
Internet me several different.
Sir.
Royal Kitchenware. Official Ghana Chancellor am dey. But na breakfast kakra ne adintin we dey. Royal Ford Betcheme. Think home plate here to me the sijas. It is all can dey no na me person we come.
Sir, pacho ti so muja no.
Me so uja no ma.
Unim breakfast there. Unye we nto na we na adwo. Nti no me person me bibi at one city me oats no. Egu
ye the oats no see what ye me soja.
Debi. Na yen soja sisi.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Why mama blending for coffee co? Oh, okay.
Yes, say ya na
me room na.
Me patch of face yo. Me hiansio kakra dia.
Me man fan room ma.
Na fe dia yen blending yeso no. Me shake kakra egu.
Kakra bi
we at once eduane na me.
Okay. Then say be oats no je. E be nya no paste kakra. Na adedem so ama na ne na mo nu kakra. At once eduane. All right. Afa wose ni nyina be ko just what about sausage?
Me sausage no and also me frying pan wa ha enti se se an me sausage no. Me pese e be ben kama ama me no. Enche ben mom. But me disi kan be fam kakra ansana.
Enti mama soja oat ya say.
Soja ma.
Afa ni oat no.
Me pese no so ekoso preko.
Enkomu preko. Raisins no as source another source of sugar no.
Exactly.
And also kom. Your man breakfast no what you see.
Healthy one.
Healthy one. Raisins ni continue nyina ebe soja no na afa pepepe. Now the sausage. And you know me fa baking debe no.
Just me pan na me debe
pan debe no.
Me kwa de fesi o mama just
me will be.
And I chef so nana so woni pani bi wo fi a ubetimi di frying pan na aye e wo fi.
Oh, okay, me will be. Intinenie. Na high sausage. Na high pancake.
Ni na at once.
Na high oats. Inti sausage oba da we chichoma na ba
de me disi kan be fem kakra.
O de fifa on be kra se wa ba na name. Oh, okay.
Afemi oil, me here oil and
Borges olive oil. Now, my babies, take JJ now how are you? My babies, where do you go to school?
Royal Beacons.
Are you tired? Mommy, hurry up. Sit up well. Where do you go to school?
Royal Beacons School.
Yeah? All of you? Royal what? Tell me.
Royal Beacons School.
Wow. Royal for money advert free. Wow. What class are you?
Class 5.
Class 5? Class 5 near here.
Class 5.
Are you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Aye. Ubano.
I will be 6.
Aye.
No. Class, say, what class?
Class 5.
Class 5?
Yes.
To God be the glory. Yes. What class are you to?
Classes.
Everyday. Class, into me call classes room 1. More size na wo. Hey, any amazing say there. Young classes, young time no. Not me go to papa size. Wow, to God be the glory. High five. Nice classes. Now let me go to my last baby. What class are you?
Class 2.
Hey, class 2. Yeah, clap for yourself. I was here for McBrown's kitchen. Kakali, you drew him for.
Sisi, I know me sausage na already. I made betchy, but me pan also I made pancake.
Next, I will see Bibi Abeko just
at once. Bibi Abeko just at once.
And I set a home up. Nami, I was for one said the Diana Quacoyano. You in charge at home. And I'm a castle, you so just so I'm pa. The bedroom at the same time now, Joe. You ever see a dinner fresh? I do be fresh. Will you be a free fridge, mamma? Because you say, why you won't cover fresh? Won't know fine. And yet, you need to come.
Yeah.
And don't you know, for butter chrono, a coho. Now, young commercial breaking ra. Ye bapena fei. Ya soja no way oats enche, pancake enche, sausage enche. Na feminine mano. Ya bedi breakfast. Are you happy? Yeah. Okay. I will say for yeah, the high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Kelly, over to me a come about someone's here. Sa and a working sio any Puma drink and a royal drinks. Yeah, the woman say me pacho lunch kitchen. E jade eno waya mamia. Me jinai sana me catch say entosi anwodi womuo and na uko jaswa tasty tom jollof mix ewo ho e ma jollof ye shortcut e ma ne ye dan kasa wetum do na bia opebia ka ho ye bibia into so no meko time curry powder ni nyina wom e ma ne ye kama tasty tom e bu say delay mackerel delay sardine and a delay spaghetti royal kitchenware official Ghana. Sa ena Borges olive oil and the Borges apple cider and a one market wakacho say die no ya na do e bia intimi control but we dey obetimi control first you dem first you mpa ho say the bia no pa no onye so she kakra bia na say wo de kakra bia nom ama system ni mada ho ye na me da Charlie spices say enie Charlie prekase Charlie ginger and a Charlie remix spices way and no say dey boy ho ban me apomu di ayedi. That's all. Me try me ho ba. Me ba edition time. Yeah! Brim. Yeah, my papa Ever the TV and the sound system. High sensitivity pro adwene ntiase so na ebrɛ wo. Model bia, size bia. Every day you enjoy 4K quality TV and what smart features. Hisense laser TV and your 4K picture quality. High definition and kasa. Hisense sound system. Bass at bass, treble at treble. And jigum. Everything 28 March. And 8 April. Him dada, Madam Hisense, Matiti Swamam say who? Ko Hisense showroom na kwa Jody. And MiPROMO we in sound who? Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Water gives life. Water is life. Enjoy the pure, refreshing taste of Awake purified drinking water, which comes in a uniquely designed bottle with a lemon green tap. Water is your perfect way to stay hydrated. And remember, for every bottle you buy, an amount will be donated to the National Cardiothoracic Center, Ghana. Awake purified drinking water. One for life. For bulk purchase, contact 0262 351 251.
Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se di emunim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi. Ti say uncle me school judge no.
E was say wo di kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama subai muja. Unse me so dodo. Ena mekuma. I will see mu judge.
Debbie sister, want to mindre sister.
I was say we nya kokodro won hihye ye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe. Emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia awon dro wom. Any fe any said your paste na pi. Na ye the fiber any vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix mebusuani nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your girls. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat, do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Made a sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be deadline.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
See your kitchen. And what's in here doing maybe here?
Sweetheart, and then my higher home over kitchen bill. And you feel you could chop garlic and ne a cakeju. I must say, baby, try and I'm pussy. You bought a potato. And ne, Timmy 3 minutes at the romantic. What can you mean saying now boom? I'm an iron back. And one is a would be a petite with 3 and a wheel. And ne, charity missing tea. I'm a Maya, yes, smart with your DNA.
Honey, I'm ready.
Charlie 3 mix and need ginger powder a bit too.
FDA Agyeman Family atomu.
McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen. Muka said Ediane pede. Ediane pede. Komu tonyom na mame wati asiye. Sabre edition time. Family time yebedidi ye maame kakali akosuya Stella ai o ye ne pancake kama na wo hwa abaya na o ka ne ho a ye ne nua na wo so hwa ne meya na ne natena emfie nso ne akire yi bacho hyehyegu ha sei hyehyegu mako kama hyehyɛ na nya fasi aha ni Cecilia sana tie eno tie the high sense asio ye the tasty Thomas say ye the awake purified drinking water launcher kitchen Borges olive oil Charlie spices Royal Kitchen we official Ghana what ase na adwuma no aye pepepe afa delay mackerel sardine and a spaghetti I was for ye bedidi ye sausage are ready ye baked beans abeka home and your syrup and your oats my papa she say oats no nema ready and afa ye needy come them are you hungry are you hungry
yeah.
Are you going to eat everything okay are you ready pacho fabra I was for years plates any bowl ye I ever did demo idea serve coming. If you think home luxury or East Legon or Instagram or Tom Plate papa where this is just so they didn't know we crash on sakana bo where check papa ma Cecilia share ne brother hadie but look I'm giving everything to mommy. Do you like it? Yeah. You like that drinks?
Yeah.
Auntie Kelly, me pa chow. I work in Sio and a royal drinks and a Puma drink. Nina me maubi. Na de mama mana ko school. What you say? Na mo chili biswa. Time bi amatumi anu. Me pa chow. High sense me ma rice cooker. High sense rice cooker nie Borges Emma Hamper Fefe, Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix, and it Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Nina be warm, Sana Charlie Spices, a chawa dear, and a Royal Kitchenware for so Emma Chancy. My dear, and I'm
Papa, oh boy, Nane. Madame was saying, I say, Median and I
are ready. I was for your oats, yes, sausage, and yeah, pancake. I am ready. Yeah, Baby did no one about one pie, mine. Sissy, one ready and any bean, teaches a oboe. Bra, where the TV some pie, bra. Who's going to pray? You? Hey, thank God. Everybody close your eyes. Pray for us.
Thank you, oh Lord. Bless us in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Maybe I shall want to do Nyamete. And one no. Sissy, serve a woman, Jana, serve a woman, mammy. Yes, ye, Jana, ye dear, go serve you, come on. Mo beer, bibi. Oat kakra, sausage kakra, wake kakra. Kakali,
Nana.
Sasa we are Juma Ben, a favorite dinkum.
Aye. Nana say no, me running my company kakra, Kells Media, a face so, Messiah TV show kakra. I'm hosting TV show kakra, me sports show kakra. Angel TV, me show no Angel TV. I'm a sports show and I'm a lifestyle show. I ladies lounge.
Yes.
I every Saturday be Hi. And you know, Juma me and the and my boss of Kells Media no Angel TV. I feel so on him. Juma me no one as I bought kakra.
Kakali. Sini do rosa na how are you?
So for my 15, I mean, Nina is senior, yeah, that dancing about September, Mohona, Miss and Charmy last senior. Yeah,
sir.
Aye.
Wow.
Yes.
Over half a spoon to be a way, I know, mammy. Hey, would you when you man to be Timmy and Pamon, and the Wayam Pamon. Auntie, yeah, but did you have for a chef pancake? I had Janibia and Tanny. It's so simple to make. Any baked beans, yenimnada. Syrup, a deep pancake in the sunday. Your sausage, you be I see a besavior. Now, did he come? Into addition time. Yay! I wish you for. Yay! Hashtag McBrown's Kitchen. Hashtag Poise Cement. Pancake. What's your say? Hashtag in a down. And until you be a pancake.
Yeah.
Come on. Pancake is syrup no gugu so that. Yeah. Oh, where there? Pancake there. It is so. Did I end there? Do you like the pancake?
Yes.
It's nice. Kakali.
Nana.
Nyamisha so ba McBrown's Kitchen what?
Meso me da so we mama kwanya.
Aye, nyamisha. Bibi obi a odi be jayen. Na as a single mother, you be je futu kakra free ho. Mfie nsuni na so no maitie. I dey na be can share single mothers crying.
Okay. Kakra metimi aka ne say wa oye wo ho wo ma ho fans che say wo hye wo ho den. Say wo betimi aye. And so we do any to nipa so bebre. You ho na ye adwuma say ensuo na obeton o say nkate na obeton bibia obetimi aye bia as single mother na wetimi dia hwe nkola no. So we ye nti we na me pese me de hye single mothers nyina nkwa say it's enye bibia ye bone. Say anye ye a ense ye nti you ho na ye adwuma na gina den e ma omo say one no mo show because nkora no wo ho nti one no mo be show be your role model prekope.
Gabby, what do you want to say to mommy? You love mommy?
Yes.
So say something to mommy. Look at mommy. Say, mommy, I love you.
Mommy, I love you.
Oh. Sissy, do you love your sister?
I really love her.
You love her. Do you love mommy?
Yes.
What do you say to mommy? Oh, big man. Do you love mommy?
Yes.
What do you say to mommy?
I'm telling her that thank you for taking care of all of us.
Oh, where penny ampa. Thank you for taking care of all of them. Because mommy, I love you. Now, it is very amazing. And fair, you're beautiful. Mommy, we love you. And soon, we are eating breakfast. Okay? And it's true love. I'm calling the home so Jai, I'm paying for the be anything to tell. High five. Yeah. Hey. And Sissy, McBrown's get what I heard.
Papa chopper.
Jai no I heard. Kai. And yeah, hey.
School could
last week, last year, and
then net domico rough into no one coming chim.
We are maybe so nipa 5 for the I will say for McBrown's kitchen here. Kakali, social media handle your day.
Kakali_Akosia on Instagram and on Facebook. So yeah, Kakali Akosia.
Kakali Akosia.
Me Akosia.
Oh, okay. I miss me ama.
My name is Akosia. Akuya. Kwame.
Hey. 2 against 2, 1. I will say for McBrown's kitchen family time. Say when you can't. So near Busia so be ba. Abe tray. There must some ye wo fear eboa mo a. Nka be ye de. Patrol. Numbers you are telling. Send your WhatsApp. No calling. You call, you get blocked. No calling, we call you back. What is it? So simple. Yada must say, my boyfriend, a radical shroom, me crew, yami a shroom, Mamu show fee, yami shroom. You be sure now, Chesene. McBrown's kitchen. Agyeman
McBrown's kitchen. Agyeman Family. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Agyeman Family. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.